kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute garage. Let's start with the roof. Draw the big triangle roof of the garage. Now draw the walls to make the shape of the garage. Next, draw the big rolling garage door. Then add the large garage sign under the roof. Then draw the cute car inside the garage. Storage shelf on the left side. Now add the bottles, the toolbox, and the tire on the shelf. Next, draw the tools hanging on the wall. Then add the stack of tires on the right side. Now draw the trees and bushes around the garage. And draw the ground and the driveway in front of the garage. Great job! Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the roof bright red. Use a light cream color for the garage walls. Garage door light gray. Make the shelf brown. Make the car bright red. Color the windows light blue. Color the wheels black and dark gray. Color the bottles red, blue, and green. Use different shades of green for the trees and bushes. And done! Your cute garage is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next